Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Begin with opening Calendar app. After that, pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with this one and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner of it. Now you can choose event or important date over here. Then adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title and type in an address. Then you can also click over here, pick starting hour and even change your date. Then tap on OK and also select the ending one. If you don't want to do that, don't worry, you can always click on this switcher next to all day to disable this option completely. Now click on repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every 2 weeks. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner. If you don't want to do that, you can always tap on never to disable this option. Now click on add reminder and set up notification minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before. You can also mark your event as important by choosing this check mark next to important feature. Select one of your accounts and even take notes. Finally, save your event by choosing checkmark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine is over here. In order to edit it, you can always tap on it and click on Edit section in the middle at the bottom. Then make your changes and click on the checkmark again. If you wish to get rid of your event, you need to click on it again, but this time select Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!